morning, students. So today my topic is quadratic equations, 10th class, ICSE textbook, introduction, examples and exercise sums, total topic, solutions I want to give you. Okay, so part wise I want to give the solutions. Okay, so first of all, introduction. So first of all, what is the definition of quadratic equation? So before I'm explaining for quadratic equation, what is quadratic expression? So quadratic expression means, suppose here ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c means in the given it is called a polynomial. The polynomial which is having degree is 2 means it is called as quadratic. So now here this, but here equal to 0 is not there, that's why this is called as an expression. So that's why second degree it is expression means quadratic expression, that is the definition. Suppose here what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means here ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So degree is having 2 and so that symbol is equal means that is called as a quadratic equation. So now here x is a variable, and a comma b comma c are called as real coefficients, and leading term is always not is equals to 0. Leading term coefficient is always not equals to 0. So that's this is called as a definition of quadratic equation. So types of quadratic equations, everything it is you learned in 9th class textbook. Okay, now I'll go for problems based on the numbers. Example is, find the two natural numbers which differ by 3 and sum of whose squares is 117. So first of all, in the solution, let the numbers be, one is x, differ by 3 is means another one is x plus 3. One is 3 and one is x and another one is x plus 3. As per the definition, sum of whose squares is 117 means first one is here x square plus this is x plus 3 whole square is equals to 117. Clear? So then next, so similarly now here expansion of this x square plus a plus b whole square means x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 117 is equals to 0. That implies 2x square plus 6x. So 117 minus 9 is nothing but minus 108 is equals to 0. So take 2 is common, x square plus 3x minus 54 is equals to 0. Then 2 is and that side you will get 0. Here x square plus 3x minus 54 is equals to 0. So the given equation is x square plus 3x minus 54 is equals to 0. So you need to find out the factors. So here x square into 54 means minus 54x square. Factors are 9 into 6, so 9x, 6x. I want plus means big number taken as pluses, small number is taken as minus. So substitute here x square plus 9x minus 6x minus 54 is equals to 0. So that implies take x is common, x plus 9 minus 6 is common, x plus 9 is equals to 0. X plus 9 into x minus 6 equals to 0. Here x plus 9 equals to 0, that implies x equal to minus 9. X minus 6 equals to 0, that implies x is equals to 6. So these are x is equals to 6 and x equals to minus 9. So according to the question, find the natural numbers they are given. Natural numbers means here minus 9 cannot be taken. Minus 9 is cannot be taken as. So here one of the number is 6. One of the number is 6 means that is nothing but x is equals to 3. So then x plus 3, x equals to 6. X plus 3 is nothing but 6 plus 3 is equals to 9 means. So the two numbers are called as 6 comma 9. So this is about the problems based on the numbers. One of the sum. Let the number be x. So according to the question, 5 times the given number 5x equal to 3 less than the twice of the square of that number means here 2x square minus 3. So that implies 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So now first term is 2x square and last term is minus 3 means that is nothing but minus 6x square. Minus 6x square factors are 2x into 3x means can't possible. Here 6x into x. 1 into 6. So now I want in the middle minus 5 means here minus, here plus, you need to substitute here. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. That implies here 2x is taking common. So x minus 3 plus 1 is taking common. X minus 3 equals to 0. So now here x minus 3 is taking common. So 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So then x minus 3 equals to 0. So that implies x is equals to 3. Next 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So that implies x equal to minus 1 by 2. So the given number means here x is equals to 3 is the required number. Okay, so this is one of them such that the sum of their reciprocals is equal to 8 by 15. So actually the two parts B, one of the part is x I am taking, another one is 8 minus x, no? Okay, so I want to divide in the two parts, means one is x and another one is 8 minus x. According to the problem, so the sum of the reciprocals equal to 8 by 15 means according to the problem 1 by x plus 1 by 8 minus x is equals to 8 by 15. Okay, so 1 by x plus 1 by 8 minus x equal to 15. Now simplify this. So take LCM in the left hand side. X into 8 minus x. X cancel, you'll get here 8 minus x plus 8 minus x cancel, you'll get x. So that equals to 8 by 15. X get cancelled, that implies here 8 by here 8x minus x square is equals to 8 by 15. 8 get cancelled, so then both reciprocals you should take. So that implies 8x minus x square is equals to 15. These values are sent that side. X square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. So you get quadratic equation. So you need to find out the factors of this. So now here x square into 15 is nothing but 15x square. So here 3 into 5 factors here x into x. I want minus means here minus we should take. So substitute here instead of this minus 8x, x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 is equals to 0. Take x is common, x minus 3 minus 5 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So here x minus 3 into x minus 5 equals to 0. Then here x is equals to 3 comma 5. So then x is equals to 3 comma 5. So the required numbers, what are the required numbers means suppose x equal to 3 means 8 minus x is 5. Suppose x equal to 5 means 8 minus x is 3. So the required numbers equals to 3 and 5. Okay. So this is first assignment. Okay. So now for the next class I will continuation for So this is the 9th chapter ICSE to ICSE textbook. So 9.1 exercise sums. In the next video I want to explain each and every sum, all the sums I want to explain you. I'll give the, like as a question bank, I'll give the solutions. Okay, so thank you friends. So till now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and give comment and give one like also. Okay, I wish you all the best. I'll meet you again in the next class.